What's up guys, my name is Kostya and today I'm going to test the limits of my taste buds. I'm in the center of Istanbul and I'm being escorted by a good friend of mine, my bro Elnur and Heyman and his lovely wife Fatima. First things first, I'll savor the famous Balik Ekmek, which translates into English as fish in bread. That is exactly what it is, fish in bread. As you guessed by its name, the preparation process is a bit simple, but I found a different recipe of the same snack. It's cooked by the one and only Mario. So mackerel is fried on both sides, all the extra bones are removed. Afterwards, the fish is spread on flat bread called lavash, then herbs and vegetables are added to it by an assistant. This process includes chopped lettuce, basil, marinated onion, fresh tomatoes. Pomegranate and lemon juices are also added. Pay attention to how diligent and meticulous Mari is while working. Rolling the lavash, he notices all of a sudden that the assistant didn't put enough stuffing, and he begins to unroll it and fills it up with the necessary constituents. This particular moment made me realize that what he's doing is not just some money-making scheme, but something valuable and dear to him. Just imagine, for 25 years standing every day on the same spot serving people, not only did he create the most unique product, and he's also one of the most eminent people of Istanbul, his fame led to copycats, as you can see. Let's get back to the food. After, the wrap is put on hot surface and gets coated by some sort of orangey sauce. I don't really know what it is, but I suppose it might be curry or paprika or something of that sort. Sesame is sprinkled on both sides as the last step, and as you can see, it looks just incredible. Though the weather is cloudy today, I don't think it'll affect my mood after what I'm about to try. You saw the whole preparation process with your own eyes. A bit dry, did you notice? The flavor is a bit unusual to the wraps I've tried so far because of the mixture of mackerel and marinated onion. I've never tasted anything like that before.
Todo